Thank you for using C4S products. Unboxing. There is a C-to-C cable under the box. Compare the sizes. Connect with Nintendo Switch. 1. Plug the full-featured C-to-C cable into the USB-C port on the top of the logo. 2. Use Nintendo Switch Original Power Adapter or CF003S to connect to another charging USB-C port. 3. Connect the HDMI cable of the display to the HDMI port of 4. Remove the Joy-Con from Nintendo Switch and connect Nintendo Switch and adapter with C-to-C cable. If the display has no speakers, you can purchase a Bluetooth adapter to connect a Bluetooth speaker or a Bluetooth headset. Connect with computer. 1. Connect the adapter to the computer's USB-C port that supports video output. 2. Connect the HDMI from the display to the HDMI port of the adapter. Tips: as long as the computer's USB-C port supports charging, plugging the power into the charging port of the adapter can charge the computer. Connect with phone. 1. Connect the adapter to the USB-C port of the phone that supports video output. 2. Plug the power into the charging port of the adapter to charge the phone. 3. Connect the HDMI from display to the HDMI port of the adapter. Thanks for watching and enjoy your products.